Hi, my friends, I'm Sam Villa. As you consider your choice of cosmetology school, know that this school is a Sam Villa partner. This means that when you enroll here, you'll receive my Sam Villa professional styling tools that are ergonomically designed by me, a hairdresser for hairdressers. And these tools are designed to last, my friends. You'll be doing great hair with these tools for years to come. And while in school here, I'll support you with my weekly online educational videos. What does that mean? How-tos, tips, inspiration delivered directly to you. You'll be immersed in a passionate culture of learning and growth every step of the way. At Sam Villa, we're your partner in education. Make the right choice, my friends, and join us here.